Powerhouse, presented by Alliant Energy.
Alliant Energy, we're on for you.
Welcome back. Bathrooms are a part of the house where it seems water and moisture are pretty much everywhere, from the floors to fixtures, and let's face it, even the walls. But there is one thing you can do to reduce excessive moisture in your home, and that's to have a bathroom vent fan and timer. Joining me now is Patty Rath with Broen Newtone. And Patty, we're in a house built in the 60s that originally didn't have a vent fan. And I'm sure you see a lot of these houses that don't have vent fans and don't work, but why is it so important to have a vent fan?
Oh, proper ventilation. If you're going to take the time to remodel and spend the time going through the cost and energy and expense of it, why not take the time to put in a proper ventilation? It pulls air through the room, and so when you got air filled with humidity, it'll pull it through the room and then exhaust it to the outside.
Okay, so you're in a bathroom and they're varying size of bathrooms. How do I know what size exhaust fan do I need to install?
It's a cubic feet per measurement, a CFM, and what that is that you take the length times the width times the height of the room, and then you take that times 0.13, and whatever number you get, then you round that to the nearest 10. So let's say, given the calculations that just gave you, came up with 78, you would round that to 80, and you would need an 80 CFM fan.
Okay, now I know you've got a very nice Broen Newtone exhaust fan in here. Tell us about this one.
This one here is the top of the line Energy Star 150 CFM. It's because this Energy Star would have a fluorescent lighting with it. This is a very nice top of the line fan. It's got a 6-inch duct on it. The bigger the duct you have on a fan, the better it'll perform. It runs into less static pressure as you vent out the room. So this is a very nice fan. Okay,
now talk to me. You mentioned the bigger the duct, the better. A little bit about that.
Yeah, it's like if a car has to slow down a little bit to go around a curve. Same thing. Anytime you can get a straight, short run on a ventilation, you're going to get the optimal performance out of it.
Okay. And we talked a bit about the vent fans. They come in all varieties, but a lot of people just don't think about using them, right? And you were saying that there's automatic vent fans?
Oh yes, we do. We have fans, humidity sensing fans. We've got, there's a lot of codes out there now where you need a continuous ventilation.
And this one comes with a timer. Why is a timer important?
Timer is great because it's recommended that you actually run your ventilation fan for 20 minutes after you use it.
Most people don't realize that, right?
Right, exactly. So 20 minutes will clear the room of all moisture, and it'll clear the ductwork all the way out to the outside.
The great thing with the new exhaust fans and the timers, you can set it for 20 minutes to run and go off. It'll shut off, save that energy, clear the air, clear the moisture, shuts off, saves energy. You gotta love that. Now I know exhaust fans, all sorts of different options, right?
Absolutely.
And you get what you pay for, right?
Definitely. You can get a $40 fan or you can get a $400 fan, but you do get what you pay for. So you definitely want to make sure you got the right size and the right fan for your room. I mean, you want a lot of options come with fans. You can actually get a fan that has heat, light. It can take care of a lot of things for you all at one time.
And it's also a part of comfort as well, right?
Absolutely. Absolutely. You definitely want to keep that air exchanging. You know, in the bathroom, it's recommended that the air exchange rate per hour is 8 times per hour. So.
Well, again, for Ron and Lisa, they've got a very nice exhaust fan put in here. We're going to put a timer with it with the option. So again, get that moisture out, save energy, be more comfortable. Sounds like a winner.
Absolutely.
All right.
Absolutely.
Well, Patty, thanks for sharing
Thank
that
you.
information with us. And if you'd like more great energy-saving ideas, visit our website at powerhousetv.com.